Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park on level ground and kill the ignition, then fold the mirror in. Once done, tilt the glass inward to reveal the access panel. You need to pry it gently with a trim tool to avoid cracking. Remove visible retaining screws with a 10 mm socket or Phillips as required. Make sure to support the mirror assembly with one hand while loosening fasteners, because it can drop unexpectedly and scratch the door. You unplug the mirror harness next. Press the connector tab and pull straight to avoid bending pins. Once disconnected, remove the housing bolts. There are usually 2-3. Use a socket and keep bolts in a tray. Lift off the old mirror assembly while watching for clips or adhesive. Fit the replacement by aligning tabs, then press until clips engage. Reinstall bolts finger tight, then torque snug. Make sure the wiring routes without kinks, and the harness seats fully in its grommet before final tightening. You finish by reinstalling the glass or cover and reconnecting the harness, then cycle the mirror motors and heater to confirm operation. Once confirmed, torque the mounting bolts to factory feel and snap the access panel back in place, cleaning fingerprints from the glass. If something fails, stop and inspect. Check connector seating and bent pins, verify the vehicle fuse for the mirror circuit, and test continuity with a multimeter. If you still have issues,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.